Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you are all staying happy and healthy on this lovely asynchronous Wednesday. I'm here to record this video for you because some certain events have caused some unfortunate chaos recently. So, on 11/19, which is this Thursday, I will actually be in class with you. I no longer need a sub. We don't have meetings, but I am recording this video in case you do not receive my email, which I sent out this morning, 11/18 Wednesday. In case you don't receive it, this video is going to be in the subfolder, which I told you on Tuesday existed and how to get all the materials. So just so you're aware, this is why I'm recording this video. So, just a couple things. First off, as you can see, we have buttons at the top of our class page now, which are how you access the Home Hybrid Zoom. So all you have to do is click on the orange button and it'll take it straight to our Zoom, which is nice. We also have office hours on Wednesdays from 10:30 to 11:30. If you click that button, it'll take you there. If you need to know the red phase schedule, it's right under the red button. Barron News is also available through these buttons. There is our streaming notice, and then weekly agenda is not active yet. As you can see, you can't click it, but that is going to be updated next week once we have a new agenda. Alrighty, so let's talk a little bit about our subfolder. Everything that you need for Thursday, 11/19/2020 is going to be available there. We're starting a brand new story, which is The Sloan Men by David Nichol. I did have to edit this story just slightly because it does have adult content within it, but it is a really good story, and I'm very excited to read this with you. We are going to be reading pages 1 through 8 on 11/19, and then completing the Sloan Men Part 1 worksheet. We are also going to silently read for 15 minutes and then document that in our pink folder, as you can see there, for weeks 9 through 13. With that in mind, we also are hopefully going to create a discussion. I'm hoping that you guys will all be there with us, but that's something that we are probably going to have to do in a flash, depending upon if everybody's able to get on Zoom, if technology is cooperating, and if we can get everybody's cameras to be working correctly. So we'll see what happens, and we will try our best, but everything that is in the red folder is definitely planned for Thursday. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to send me an email, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful week before our Thanksgiving break, if I don't get to talk to you guys sooner. Alrighty. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.